Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix this problem. So here you can see it, action blocked. The action was blocked, please try again later. Will restrict certain content and actions to protect our community. Tell us if you think we made a mistake. So mostly it happened because you just make too much action at one time and the same action. So it can be liking or commenting or just following too many people. So mostly it's just temporary block, so you need to wait. So sometimes you will see here for what date this block will be, but also sometimes Instagram will automatically unblock you for maybe one day or few days. It depends on situation. Sometimes 1 week, but also you need to know that you can try to use another device or you can try to change your network. So if you use Wi-Fi, just try to use mobile data, and if you use mobile data, just try to use Wi-Fi. So sometimes it also helps. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.